Hello mga ka-jams! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Special shout out kay Zia, Bev, Aimee, at saka kay Aljun. So what we're gonna talk about in this vlog is finding host family. How to find a host family. You know, many aspiring au pairs or even yung mga au pairs na nasa program na are struggling to find a host family, and it's quite depressing sometimes, especially kapag malapit na matapos ang visa mo. So if you're one of them, I will guide you para may tips ka how to easily find a host family. There are many au pair sites where you can register and create a profile, and it would be wiser if you will not just limit it in one au pair sites but as many as you can. Just make sure na your profile is interesting to attract potential host families, and also what you wrote there is based on your experience, yung authenticity ba, kasi the host family can also feel how sincere the message is written in your profile. Kasi once they are interested about you, they will get you as an au pair. When I was applying an au pair position in America, sa website din ako nakahanap ng host family. Sa Netherlands of America, agencies are required for au pair. You cannot go there as an au pair without an agency. And it's easier if you undergo through an agency, kasi you only have to create one profile and the rest is being taken care of by the agency na. From searching host family, matchmaking, setting up video call, to the preparation of your visa. So basically, all the assistance needed for your au pair application, ang agency na ang bahala. Yun nga lang, some agencies has placement fee. Like for example, when I apply as an au pair sa America, I will have to pay about $100 after my visa is granted, or I was told 1 week before the date of my arrival na magbayad ako ng ganun na halaga, because that is how their business works. But not that I know of sa Netherlands, kasi nung nag-apply ako doon, wala akong binayaran. Aside lang doon sa mga gastusin sa Pilipinas, mga documents na kailangan authenticate or yung mga ganun. If you knew someone who is currently participating the program or previously participated the au pair program, you can ask a favor to recommend from their host family's friends, neighbors, colleagues, or kahit yung mga acquaintances na mga host family, or even yung host family nila itself, especially if their stay is about to end. Bali ikaw yung papalit sa kanila ba. Mas mabilis ang recommendation, lalo na kapag ang au pair will say something nice about you. Kukunin ka talaga nila asap. They'll just set up for a video call, mga 30 minutes more or less, and then proceed na sa visa. Ganun kadali ang recommendation. When I was in Denmark and Norway, I was also recommended by my family. Kaya sobrang dali and sobrang bilis and less gastos. I undergone these 3 methods of looking for a host family. And as I've said, it's not easy and sometimes quite depressing siya. But once you become an au pair and makapag-travel ka na sa ibang country like Italy, Paris, Norway, Denmark, hindi ka na uuwi. I promise you. Ganoon ang atake kapag makapag-au pair ka na. If you want to become an au pair and you don't know anyone na pwede mag-recommend sa'yo, I highly suggest you to try sa Netherlands first, kasi there are many reliable agencies na makatulong sa iyo to find a host family. And I learned also na there are some agencies na pupunta sa Pilipinas para mag-organize ng event searching for a potential au pair candidate. Kaya you never know, baka isa ikaw sa mapili nila. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. And stay tuned for more updates by clicking the notification bell. Thanks. Bye-bye.